Welcome to Las Rocas, a stunning architectural complex located in the northern part of Valle de Bravo, in an area known as La Peña, designed by Ignacio Urquiza and Paula de Alba. This extraordinary project seamlessly blends 4 houses into a natural landscape characterized by elevated terrain, rocky outcrops, and endemic vegetation. The architects treated the 6,400 square meter site as an extension of the adjacent natural reserve, seeking to respect and regenerate the environment, ensuring minimal disruption to the land's natural beauty. From the very beginning, a detailed site analysis was essential in determining the placement of each house. The goal was to position the homes in such a way that they would have a minimal impact on the pre-existing natural features, such as runoffs, rocks, and vegetation. A narrow cobblestone road leads to a central service area that contains parking, storerooms, and installations like cisterns and machine rooms. This central hub serves as the entry point where residents leave their vehicles behind, immersing them in the natural surroundings as they walk to their homes via scenic paths, steps, and small plazas. Inside, the contrast between closed, intimate spaces and open, airy circulation routes is designed to offer different sensations when inhabiting the space. For example, while the sleeping areas are enclosed for privacy and comfort, the open corridors allow residents to engage with the surrounding vegetation and rocky landscape. These pathways also serve a practical function by capturing southern light and heat to regulate the temperature inside the homes. The orientation of the houses, with a north-facing view, makes the most of the surrounding environment to ensure a natural balance between the structure and its climate. The architectural concept was based on a dynamic and modular system. Each of the 4 houses is designed with the same core components, but their layouts vary depending on the unique characteristics of their specific location. The volumes are arranged freely in multiple directions: front, rear, above, below, left, and right, in response to the topography of each site. This design approach allows the architecture to merge seamlessly with the natural context, with open spaces and voids between the volumes that let in natural light, offer sweeping views, and create ventilation. In this project, nature becomes an integral part of the design, with trees and rocks incorporated into the homes, blurring the line between the built environment and the natural world. Las Rocas goes beyond mere architectural form. It is an expression of harmony between human habitation and nature. The light gray stucco finish and the use of textured stone and glass create a quiet, simple aesthetic that allows the houses to blend into their environment rather than dominate it. Every design decision, from the cantilevered windows to the sliding partitions in the kitchen, was made to enhance functionality while embracing the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Paula de Alba's custom interior designs further personalize each home, ensuring that every family's unique needs are met. Ultimately, Las Rocas is not just a retreat. It's a living, breathing extension of the natural world, where architecture, nature, and people coexist in perfect harmony.